And today we're going to be making jalebis. And they're Indian sweets. So first we're going to be making the batter. For the batter you will need half a cup of yogurt, some baking powder, flour and a cup of water. First pour 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Chanel, will you please pour the flour? Good job. Then pour your yogurt. Pardon? Is that enough? Here's some one. Oh, still more. Then pour a little bit of your water. Chanel, can you pour just a little bit, not so much? You didn't pour anything. It gently into a nice thick batter. Then get a little bit of baking powder on your teaspoon. Chanel, can you pour it all in? Then give it a good mix like this. After you've mixed in, all the lumps have gone, get a tiny pinch of orange colour, food colour, and put it in your bowl. And then just keep on mixing. Now, can you put the orange colour in, please? Just mix it and leave it for 15 or 20 minutes. And you can see the colour here. It's coming all orange. Wow, that's cool. I know, I'm going to keep on mixing it for some time. Oh, it's coming a bit peachy. Now we are going to make the syrup. You will need for the syrup 2 cardamoms and saffron. You will need also a cup of sugar and some hot water. Now Chanel's going to pour the sugar in. I'm just going to move out of the way. Pour the sugar in. Now I'm going to put the cardamom and saffron in. Stir it well so the sugar's nice and dissolved. It's boiling. Now get a saucepan and pour all your butter into it. Now should I hold it still, okay? I'm gonna put it in. Now heat some oil in a different pan and make sure it's hot, and then you can start frying your jalebis. Look how our jalebis are nicely cooked. Once they are cooked, dip them into the syrup. Now you can see our jalebis are all cooked, and we just chopped up some pistachios and put them on. Now let's taste. See how they taste. You want a piece? Okay. Good. I love it. I have this. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please share our video, like our video, and subscribe. It's my brother and sisters. Bye. 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 Bye.